Hey guys, Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created a 3-strand twist on my hair, and I used the Get Slick Hair Smoothie and Sealing Hair Butter. So let's get into it. You know the drill. I always start on freshly washed hair. So I washed my hair using the clarifying charcoal shampoo bar and then used the detoxifying clay cleanser as my conditioner. Next, I always section my hair and work in those sections. It's just easier that way. Trust me, you don't want to have to put all your hair out. So we have our spray bottle and let's spritz our hair. And of course, we have to detangle. So first we're going to apply a little bit of the Get Slick Hair Smoothie to the first section. I like this smoothie because it has like a soft hold to it, but also it just gives you extra hydration. And the Sealing Hair Butter is super duper thick. I mean, thick. It's great for twist outs, braid outs, because one, I like to keep my twists in for a week, and then I take the twist out and let my hair out for another week. So my hair has to stay hydrated for 2 weeks, and this combination works perfectly. So you have your 3 strands and then you just twist it. Easy peasy, the same way you would with 2 strands, right? Just kidding. Let's look at that again, but close up and a little bit slower. So you have your 3 strands. So pay attention to the wrists and how I pass each set of hair one by one. So in the beginning, your hair, your fingers are gonna want to do a braid. It happened to me too, so it might be easier to practice on someone else before yourself. That's what I did, and it made all the difference. But basically, you are twisting the 3 strands around each other the same way you would 2 strands, but of course, it's about the wrist action. I can't stress that enough. The same way it's all in the wrist with your 2-strand twist. Go slow in the beginning, and with practice, it gets a lot faster. After I finish twisting all of my hair, I clip it up so that it doesn't get loose. And then I put all of my hair up into a twist so that my hair can all sit under the hooded dryer. Now you guys know I am not an air drying person. I like to sit under the hooded dryer till my hair is 100% dry. So I let my hair in twists again for a full week. It's kind of like giving my hair a vacation. And after a week, I'm ready to take the twists out. Now with 3-strand twist, probably similar to 2-strand twist, you want to start from the bottom or the ends and slowly unravel them. If you start at the top or in the middle, you can probably get some tangles in there. So start from the ends and again, just slowly unravel. Then after you've unraveled all of the strands, and you can start fluffing them out. Now, I am not good with a pick. I don't even own a pick. I'm afraid to use a pick. So I usually just continue to separate the sections of hair one by one, because I don't want any frizz. You guys, frizz is not the enemy, but the less frizz you have, the longer your hair will last. So I just go in and unravel a little bit by little bit and keep it as defined as possible. And yeah, like I think I might have to do 3-strand twists more often. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you watch this to the end, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, and I will see you again soon. Thanks, guys.